So Ndoisile made a post about Owami and it deleted it. But unfortunately, I had already taken a screenshot of it because I could see that the post is getting too much attention and the possibility of it being deleted was high. So this is what he wrote. I may not be a fine one to talk, but that old divorced woman who runs that podcast is very bitter. You can tell that unenhliziyo embi, and that might be why a marriage never worked out. One thing about God, uyakwazi ukushaya umuntu ngoswazi. And I think it lasted only 10 minutes or 12, but it didn't reach 15 minutes. When I went back to check what the comment section is saying, I couldn't find anything because I wanted to catch up with the comments. But from what I've seen from the comment section, from the little that I managed to read, a lot of people were like, that is Owami that you're talking about, and why are you talking about your divorce? Everything else you are spot on, but can't you remove the divorce part? So he went on to write another post. He said, you all need to stop idolizing your favorite creators or celebrities. They are also human like you and they are not better than you in any way. They are where they are because of your support. If you didn't support them, now they are just an ordinary Siwulile from Machacheni. Most of them, Banehlisio Ezimbi, Ezimbashileo. That's what he concluded. And somebody actually commented and said, Loy deleted the post about the old podcast divorced lady who apparently has an evil heart. And then he replied yes and put a question mark. And from that, what he wrote only, I think there's no need for us to figure out who is being talked about here. It can only be Owami. Can someone tell me where the beef is coming from? Is it because of that Tembisa incident or the time when he was doing bonnets for people when he couldn't deliver and people were saying he stole our money? I think Owami was making videos on him, and this time around, it's time for him to retaliate. I don't know. I don't know where the beef is coming from. To be honest, I don't really know. And then I was thinking probably he's trying to support Somizi because he's also part of the LGBTQ community. I'm not so sure about that, but that was what I was thinking. Is he trying to support Somizi, or these people had beef from long back about Owami talking about him scamming people, and also the Tembisa thing, that small thing. I don't know what you guys think, but he was like blunt on a lot of things. How can you say someone who is in their 30s, old, divorced woman, is Owami that old? I don't know. Is she that old to be called an old woman? She's in her early 30s, but already she's being called an old woman. And then she's being called she's heartless. I don't know where she is heartless, but that's what Ndoi observed. And then people were like, you know what? Everything else we know you are spot on, but please kindly remove the divorce part. And some were like, yes, we know that she is heartless. And also, people were talking about her divorce in that way, and also referring to the video that she did recently about her and the husband, saying that even the girlfriend is not yet having a child. And then somebody said I was the problem. There was a video that she posted. I think I saw it TikTok recently, and people were starting to talk about it. That lady has got an obsession. She's heartless. She's always talking about a divorce and then trying to make money out of it. A lot was said. Others, I think a whole lot of people were supporting Ndoi, his points, and then others were supporting that. No, you know what? You should have written your statement, but not too difficult, not too harsh. Ndoi, remove some other parts that when he deleted the whole post. And I don't know what you guys think. For those who haven't subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe and see you in my next video.